My name is Kaba Yikene Anati. I am going to talk to you about COVID-19 and a hands-free hand washing simple machine. Well, this is a hands-free hand washing simple machine that I have designed and constructed, and I will demonstrate to you how this machine works. The purpose for this machine is to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. I choose to call this machine a hands-free hand washing simple machine because this machine, when operating it, when using it to wash your hands, you don't have to hold a tap, open and close before and after washing your hands. I have therefore decided to come out with this cheap, affordable, easy to construct hands-free hand washing machine to support the fight against COVID-19. Don't say this machine is not nice. Say this machine is for everyone. Say this machine can serve the purpose. Say that this machine is for the masses. I can decide to use metal, iron, or well-shaped wood to construct this kind of machine. Trust me, the cost there quite high. I have therefore decided to go the backyard and get just branches of neem tree to construct this particular machine. I encourage you to construct this kind of machine for yourself. Construct one for a neighbor. If you cannot construct one, get a skillful person to support you. Construct one. Indicate someone close to you, a neighbor. Remind someone about COVID-19. Now, I am going to demonstrate to you how this machine works. This machine is supposed to be placed at your entrance. Before you enter, wash your hands. So this is the machine, and this is where it is. And this particular machine, I have constructed 81 pieces of this machine for some homes and for some individuals for free to help kill COVID-19. And so now, this is where this machine is placed. This machine, this container contains liquid soap in it. This container, there is water in it. This is my tissue, and this is a container with a recommended hand sanitizer in it. What you need to do is you only have to paddle down here. Your liquid soap flows, you collect it, you paddle somewhere here, your water comes, you wash your hands, and then you clean with the tissue. You finalize by pressing, paddling here, and then you collect your hand sanitizer, and finally you sanitize your hand. And so now I'm going to wash my hands to clean myself. Washing. So yeah, this is how it goes. So I'm going to wash my hands. So I have to paddle here, and my soap will come. The soap has come, and I'm washing, right? And this is the soap. This is the soap. Washing my hands, right? You see, so now I have to use the water to rinse my hands. So I go this way. Now I have to paddle again somewhere, get my water to clean my hands. So I only have to paddle here, no holding of anything. So I paddle here, and the water flows. And I wash my hands, so clean, so nice. And I'm done without holding any tap to open. So I'm done. So here I am, clean hands. And now I have to come this way, and I'll paddle here and the sanitizer will flow and I will just sanitize my hand. So I just paddle here and it flows. You see, with alcohol rich, this is recommended hand sanitizer. So I'm done. I'm done. And this is it. So this is what I have to support, prevent the spread of COVID-19. I encourage you to make one for yourself. Now, before I conclude, I would want to say that practicing the precautionary measures will make us victorious against COVID-19. Avoid handshaking. Cover your mouth and nose when sneezing or coughing. Wear nose masks. Wear hand gloves. Wash your hands thoroughly on the running water with soap. Don't forget your hand sanitizers. Use recommended hand sanitizer to sanitize your hand. Educate someone close to you. Remind someone about COVID-19. Construct a hands-free hand washing machine for yourself. Make one for a neighbor. If you cannot make one, consult someone. Get a skillful person to support you. Make one. Wishing all of us well. Wishing all of us good luck. God bless.
The land is good, the land is fine. Gold we have, diamonds we mine. Yet we fight, we cover it all in blood. Tell me why we wallow in the mud. Africa, 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 yeah. Mama Africa, we cry for peace. Africa. The land is good, the land is fine. Gold we have, diamonds we mine. Yet we fight, we cover it all in blood. Tell me why we wallow in the mud. Africa.
It's in Palo only to feel you say that. So take tank to it again. So Bangana, Kibingana, Gongana, Tissue Gana, hand sanitizer Mongana. So Missela, who can go to sell you, who can go to sell you. Inala, machine Gana, Ina. When you took the Kalama, so going to Kiblayan wa, yeah, when you get the Wakala, Kola Mubakalam, get the Wakalam. When you Gele di inala, paddle inala. So come in nana. Go na machine nana. Onya. So come in nana. Bahe. O ba hambala o. Tissue nana. Ye tissue la yema. So do no la bahe ya. De ka bahe da se la bon. Ba kala. San ba kala la bahe ya. O kunna ka ba ho. Sanitizer mo nana. So ingamo. E tu di la kala. Sinti kala. When you can tell that, when you and Tazambala, aha, so Kumbala, to Santazi, Uzambala, before to Yankee. So that is how this machine works. So, who will pay to me?
Africa, 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 yeah. Mama Africa, we cry for peace. Africa, 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 yeah. Mama Africa, we cry for peace. Africa. Nisambuka tigi kayora, nisambuka tigi Kayora, Nisambo Katigi, Kayora, Nisambo Katigi, Kayora. Tell me why you fight. Tell me why we fight. Tell me why you fight. Tell me why we fight. The land is good, the land is fine. Gold we have, diamonds we mine. Yet we fight, we cover it all in blood. Tell me why we wallow in the mud. Africa, 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 yeah. Mama Africa, we cry for peace. Africa.